top 5 coins to buy in September 2020. Welcome back, guys. It's Rocko from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 coins to buy this month. This is a monthly video that I make. Past few months have been the best few months for trading altcoins. There's been coins that's been going 2x to even 10x with decentralized finance, FOMO, Ethereum 2.0. There's been one of the best few months. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There's loads of channel that talks about coins going up or down. I actually share which ones I'm buying. Tron recently has broken out, so I'll talk about my top 5 coins. And also, guys, I'll be sharing with you a wildcard coin as well. So in the past videos I talked about Sharda, which went up a lot, XAMP, which doubled. So in this video, guys, I'll be talking about a really interesting project, Kasha. So this will be one of the top 5 coins I talk about. So before I talk about that, guys, I want to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they are the key. We need to understand what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing before we get into those trades. I'll be sharing with you exactly where I've been buying them, where I've been selling them in the educational group, exactly, people to ask me, did you actually buy them? I'll be sharing with you what posts I've been making. And we've also got a Telegram group where there's been loads of people. We're posting every day which coins I'm buying, where I'm buying. So I'll be sharing with you all of that when we are discussing each of the coins. But let's talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin had a breakdown today. It's broken down the key support level of 11k. It's trying to find support at 10.5k. We really need to see Bitcoin stay above 10k ideally, and really above 9.5k. As long as Bitcoin finds support here and goes sideways, this could be another amazing month for trading altcoins. You guys know when Bitcoin breaks out, altcoins suffer. This was another amazing time to be trading altcoins, and if Bitcoin can consolidate around this zone, hopefully altcoins can be going up. I'll be sharing with you the best altcoins, so make sure you watch the video till the end, guys. If you watch one of my videos, make sure you watch this video till the end. So if Bitcoin consolidates, I've not got a clear setup in Bitcoin. So trades I posted, I've made a free Bitcoin video on YouTube as well. It was when Bitcoin was breaking out above there, and I sold most of my Bitcoin here when it couldn't break above. I posted in the group that I was exiting. I haven't shorted it. I didn't really think we were going to break down this quickly, but this has been a very sharp breakdown. It's trying to find some support now. We'll have to see how Bitcoin performs. This is really key to see what happens in the altcoin market. And the next coin that we look at is Ethereum. Ethereum is finding support at this very, very key support level. Let me draw my Fibonacci again. My Fibonacci has moved away. This is really important level for Ethereum. This is the 50% Fibonacci level, huge support level. Ethereum needs to stay above 360. As long as Ethereum stays above 360, I think this could be again another great month. People keep waiting for opportunities, guys, for them to come onto their lap. You have to take advantage of it. This is, I'll talk about some of the coins that's gone up, and if Ethereum can hold 360 and bounce from here, if Ethereum has been one of the most bullish coins, if it is to stay bullish, it really needs to hold this level and bounce from it. So this is exactly what I would be looking for in Ethereum. And I'd also want Ethereum BTC to stay above the daily moving average. Altcoins has been performing amazingly since July, and this is when Ethereum BTC broke out. These are my indicators that I use to be trading altcoins. So those are the 2 key things. Make sure you write this down when you're trading and buying these altcoins, because these things needs to stay intact for us to be having those crazy altcoin gains that we've seen in the past few months. If you watch some of my videos, hopefully you guys made some money as well. I talked about exactly the coins that's gone up, and these were what the levels I talked about for it to hold, and it held and it carried on moving. This is what we want to see carry on for Ethereum to be bullish and altcoins to perform well. So, guys, with that out of the way, let's start talking about the top 5 coins. In this video, guys, the wildcard coin I want to talk about is Kasha. So Kasha is one of a really interesting project that I've recently come across. So Kasha is one of the largest crypto-friendly neobank based in London, and their mission is to change business banking for next generation businesses. I'll read this bit that I found in an interview paper. If you're interested in this project, guys, let me know. I'll share with you more information on this. So we are a banking platform where crypto is part of our system, like sterling, pound, dollar, and euro. We believe crypto is an evolution of money, and as the next generation neobank, we are committed to treat it like that. In normal circumstances, most businesses have both option of choosing between traditional banking and an alternative neobanks. But both of them are not capable of handling crypto-related transactions and compliance. Our focus from our inception has been on compliance and developing technical infrastructure which is required by emerging business. Due to our huge amount of transactional data on cryptocurrency and national currency, we can now enable governments to understand these things better, develop a positive outlook towards industry. It enables regulators to stop frauds, system compromise by following our compliance policies. So this is a roadmap. They're not talking about being listed or pumping coins. They're actually trying to make improvements in their project. This is exactly what I want to see with UK, Europe, and also progressing in India and America as well. So this is a project that I like fundamentally. I'll talk about technicals in the other coins, but this is a project that I like. People have been talking to me about the wildcard coins that I've been talking about. I talked about Shada, which more than doubled. If you watched when I made that video, I think 2 months ago, I talked about it in June video, and you can see how far it's gone up. It's more than doubled, 4x even. So again, I'm not making predictions it will do that, but this is a project that I personally quite like. The main things that I like about again, please do your own research, guys, and let me know if you want more information. But this is one of the main reasons I like, is they're in the potentially final stages of gaining FCA approval. The moment this happens, there'll be one of the first crypto regulated banks. And think about HSBC of crypto potentially. That's what they're calling themselves. Kasha will service one of the biggest names in cryptocurrency companies like Binance, KuCoin, 10x, and they'll be using the banking features. They've already got about 200 business clients according to them, and the token are currently can required to be obtained a bank account. When the regulation approval is complete, cash tokens will be required for banking fees. So there's a potential use of this coin. This is exactly what we want to see. We want to see use cases, not just coins are going up, coins are going down. So there's some big announcement potentially coming up, so definitely keep an eye out for this coin. This has not been listed on big exchanges yet, but you can see the price has already gone up. So on a pullback, you can look to get in on this coin. Even just year to date, you can see the price of almost 4 times, like Shada I talked about. So we'll have to see if it breaks out and stays above the 5 cent level. If it can stay above, break out above that level, this is a coin that I'd definitely keep an eye out for. This is the wildcard coin I want to talk about. So next one I want to talk about is Tron. So Tron is one of the coins I made a YouTube video on. So if it's a big coin like Tron or Chainlink, I can share the signals on YouTube as well. I always struggle to find Tron. I made 2 videos on Tron, guys. This was before it broken out 2 weeks ago. I shared with you exactly on YouTube. I shared with you exactly when what I'm looking out for, breakouts, what I'm looking for, and in the group and recently in the Telegram group, you get access to that for free, guys. Still, before the prices go up, I'll leave the links below for you if you're interested in joining. I posted exactly how I traded Tron, the targets I looked for Tron as well, and how I sold Tron. So I sold most of my Tron here. I sold that for about 400 Satoshi, and then I sold some here, and then I got stopped out in that position when it pulled back here. I'm looking for it to find some support here, breakout out of that 4-hour moving average. I've got my alert set again, as you can see, 368. If it gets back above that, I'll look to buy Tron again. I recommend you go watch these videos, guys. I talked about detail why Tron and Justin Sun trying to get involved with DeFi. Just Swap, I think, is another Uniswap version for Ethereum version for Tron. So there's loads of stuff going on, so keep an eye out for Tron, especially if it can get back above it. That's my strategy. I'll share with you on YouTube. If you want to check out the group, I'll leave the links below. For last time, you can join the group for less than, you can trial us for a month for less than $30. You get access to courses, Facebook group, Telegram, and more importantly, you get access to my unit course for all of that. And you can check us out for a yearly subscription as well. There's a 70% discount if you are interested. I'll leave the links below and talk about it at the end of the video. But Tron is a coin I would have to talk about. So this is I have to talk about Tron in the top 5 coins. The next coin I'm going to talk about is a DeFi coin. So one of the DeFi coins I talked about in this video is Comp. So Comp has been one of the coins that I caught really well. This was before the breakout back start of last month when it was breaking out. I posted exactly when I was buying it, so that you can see it's looking good. I have bought some comp, and comp has been one of my better trades recently. I sold comp too early, but I'll be looking to get back in comp. So this is the, if you see the picture there, this was here 7th of August. This is when the breakout happened, my pullback entry, and comp just blasted again. That's why I'm saying people wait for opportunities to come to their laps. You know, most successful people take action, so make sure you take action and actually say, look, I'm going to learn how to trade, whether it's my strategy or your strategy. Invest some time, and with hard work I'm sure you can succeed in it. And then now it formed a base and it broken out. It's now pulling back to a key zone, comp pulling back to the 618. So I'm looking for a trend change here on the 4 hourly to get back into comp. If it pulls back to, you know, the 1500 1600 level, I would look to buy comp. I mainly trade comp against against BTC, but comp USD, if it comes to around, I mean, the 160 level, I'll look to potentially buy some more for a bounce. And if it does have a big breakout above 260, guys, I'm not saying it will, that's when I will definitely look to buy. This was where I bought previously, almost the bottom. I'll be looking for a potential huge breakout. This is one of the DeFi coins I really like, so that would be a coin that would be high on my watch list. The next coin I want to talk about is Lend. This has been one of the biggest bullish coins since start of the year. I've included it in my previous top 5 coins. You can see the buy zones I've shared previously. This, if you had bought this coin, and I'm not saying I did, bought it and had 1000% gain. I got into 2 trades, but there's one guy who's been in Lend since here, and he almost, you know, 10x his trade. Anyways, they're talking about what can happen now. It's finding support at the daily moving average like we saw it here, and it's had a big bounce. So I'm looking to get back in this now. So this is a zone that I've got. On a breakout above this, I'm going to look to get into Lend. It's one of the most bullish coins I can find at the moment. Even with the dump we've seen in Bitcoin, this is very strong, and if DeFi continues to perform, I think this can carry on moving up, especially if it can break into new highs. So I have to include this as a coin in my top 5 list. And then the last 2 coins, I wasn't sure about which to talk about, but the 2 coins I'm going to talk about is OM. So I don't know too much about this coin, but I really like this setup. This was another coin I posted exactly when I was buying. It was breaking out. It was 6 a.m. in the morning time, as you can see, when it was breaking out. I posted exactly, I've bought some when the breakout. This was around this zone. I set an alert and it broke out, guys. This was a really nice trade, and it broke out. It gave us another 42% trade. I'm waiting for this. Now it pulled back for the 4 hourly, had another push up. I'm looking for it to find support here at the 3 cent level. This is where I'd look to buy some more. So I wasn't sure which one to include, OM or DOT. These are 2 coins that I'm really watching. There's Wi-Fi as well. There's quite a few coins that are looking great, but I wanted to, I'll go with DOT. DOT's another coin that I posted about. You can see OM, this is when it hit the sell target I posted. I'm selling OM, taking profit, and I'm looking to get into DOT because DOT was looking really good. I've bought some DOT. This was the 2 buy zones that I shared, and DOT is still holding support. So again, the last coin I'd include is DOT. Now where I would personally like to buy again is above 60,000 satoshis in my alert setup. I'll post it in the Telegram group if you guys want to join, exactly when it's breaking out. If you want to watch it for yourself, watch for this setup. If it breaks out, look to get into DOT. So those are my top 5 coins for this month. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Now, I want to quickly talk about one of the coins I've already talked about previously, Shada. So this was 2 months ago. I talked about it, almost 4x. It's finding some support now, and they've got some news coming up. You know, again, this is another coin that's got use cases. You can see they've got apps that are being built on it, and it's been recently covered on Cointelegraph, which is one of the bigger crypto news platforms. And you can see Shada wants to increase its data storage space, so it looks to provide storage hub for island blockchain applications. New applications called Boxes punches up Shada's storage by an additional 96 terabytes, and they're doing a lot of marketing, guys. So this is another coin that I already talked about as a wildcard entry. Shada is I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on one of the coins I talked about in my previous video, so keep an eye out for this one where I already talked about it. Watch my previous video for more details on Shada. So thank you very much for watching, guys. To end the video, my question to you guys is, what is your favorite altcoin this month? Comment below your favorite. So I've shared with you my 5. I've talked about a wildcard entry, Kasha. I talked about Tron, talked about Comp and Lend. Then I touched on few because there's too many coins that are breaking out. Like I said, it's probably one of the best times to be trading cryptocurrency. You wait months and months, and finally we've got an opportunity where lots of coins are breaking out. So comment below your top 5 that I shared with you, my ones. So Kasha, Tron, Com, Lend, and Dot. I've touched on Shada, OM, Wi-Fi. There's loads of coins, especially DeFi related coins that are going up. But those are my top 5 for this month. Comment below your top five and let's have a discussion. And please guys, it's really important to watch Bitcoin and Ethereum. People ask me which is the best altcoin to buy, but you could be buying one altcoin that could take, if you're investing for long term, that's fine. But if you want to, get those quick gains, like we talked about Tron, which had, almost doubled in few days, then you have to, learn how to invest in yourself, learn a strategy, and not just look to buy and then FOMO in. So it's really important to have a strategy behind it. So I highly recommend, if you haven't already checked it out, check out this group. If not, guys, just smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below your top 5 coins, and I'll make another video. And I really appreciate all of you supporting my channel. I'll continue to provide great content. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below your favorite coin for this month, and let's have a discussion. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.